हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश बर्ड। आज हम सीखेंगे कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। सो मेरी वीडियो से यदि आप कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा एंड हैव अ गुड डे विथ योर फ्रेंड्स इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन। सो लेट्स बिगिन। हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन। व्हाट अबाउट यू? Where have you been? I was busy with my work. Did you miss me? Of course, I missed you a lot. When shall we meet again? Let's meet this weekend. What's new? Nothing much, just the same routine. Are you hungry? Yes, let's eat something. Shall we order pizza? Sure, I love pizza. Do you want tea or coffee? I'll take coffee. Where do you want to go today? Let's go to the mall. Who will pay the bill? Don't worry, it's my treat. Why are you laughing? Because your joke was funny. Are you teasing me? Yes, just for fun. Do you think I'm crazy? Yes, but a cute crazy. Do you like my jokes? Yes, you always make me laugh. Are we best friends? Of course, forever. Did you finish your homework? Not yet. I need your help. Can I borrow your notes? Yes, but return them soon. Are you ready for the exam? Almost. Still revising. Do you like studying? Not really, but it's important. Shall we study together? Sure, that will be fun. What's the plan for tonight? Let's watch a movie. Shall we go for a trip? Yes, I'm excited already. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, let's hang out. Do you want to go for shopping? Yes, let's go together. Which movie shall we watch? Let's watch a comedy. Are you okay? Yes, don't worry. Why are you sad? Because I had a bad day. Do you trust me? Yes, completely. Can I share a secret? Yes, I won't tell anyone. Will you always be my friend? Yes, forever and ever. Shall we play cricket? Yes, let's go to the ground. Who will bat first? I will. I'm ready. Did you enjoy the match? Yes, it was exciting. Do you like video games? Yes, I play every day. Shall we play cards? Yes, that will be fun. What's your favorite hobby? Reading books. Do you like music? Yes, I love it. Who is your favorite singer? Arjit Singh. What's your dream? I travel the world. Do you believe in luck? Yes, sometimes. Shall we meet tomorrow? Yes, same place. Are you going home now? Yes, it's late. Did you enjoy today? Yes, a lot. Will you call me tonight? Yes, before sleeping. When will we meet again? Very soon. Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. What do you want to become in the future? I want to become a doctor. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I enjoy making simple dishes. What do you usually do on holidays? Usually visit my grandparents. Do you like to sing or dance? I like to dance more than sing. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Diwali. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love visiting new places. Which game do you play the most? I play badminton the most.